And welcome back. I believe this is the last video in our egg hunt video section, so check the playlist to watch even more. I believe I've got nearly every single one that I had in a video, so make sure you go back through, check it out, go out there and find them, because it's an amazing event and there is some absolutely epic eggs. Yes, a double E, epic eggs. I don't know what I'm on about. Anyway, as you can see in this video, I'm talking away, but obviously you can't hear me. There was a problem with my microphone, which I was a bit upset about, but we can still make these awesome videos to show you where they all were, where they were abouts. And you can see, like in this part, I was wearing a coat because it started raining a lot, so we did a few eggs with coats on just to yeah, keep ourselves dry. Oh, the British Museum one was a mummy. It was absolutely amazing, that one. Good location. And then a pot of tea outside of one of the hotels, which was quite cool. And this one had some cherry blossom trees around it, and everyone was taking photos, so I had to like try and get in between them doing all their shots and me doing my shots. But yeah, I never noticed this elephant until I finished filming. And yeah, we've just got a few more which were pretty cool. This hotel had amazing staff. I loved speaking to them. I chatted to too many people, but I loved it. And yeah, told them all about the app and like where to go and look for stuff and all that other awesome stuff. But yeah, go get the app, and that is it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye.